Good morning, everyone. I hope you are having an amazing day. Today, I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite dish, shrimp Alfredo Linguine. These are the ingredients that you will need. Take out the frozen shrimps from the bag and put it into a bowl. Pour some hot boiling water onto the shrimps. Mix all the shrimps together into the hot water. Once it is thoroughly thawed out, go ahead and drain out the water. This is my first time using this Simple Truth organic roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. Let's see what it tastes like. After the zucchinis and broccoli have been washed, I am going to show you how to prepare the zucchinis. Use a fruit peeler to slice the zucchinis into thin pieces like this. Cut the broccoli into small pieces like this and pour some hot boiling water over it to blanch it. This is what it looks like after it has been blanched. Put some water into your pot and wait for it to boil. Add the noodles into the water. Also add a little bit of olive oil into the water to prevent the noodles from sticking. Continue cooking and stirring your noodles for about 10 to 15 minutes until the noodles are soft to your liking. Once the noodles are soft and ready, turn off your stove and drain the noodles. Run it under cold water so that way the noodles don't stick together. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and lemongrass into your frying pan. Cook the lemongrass for a little bit, then add the shrimps. Continue stirring the shrimps for about a minute. Add the zucchinis. Add 1 scoop of chicken broth mix. Stir everything together. Cook the zucchinis for about 1 minute. Add 2 cans of the Alfredo sauce. Stir everything together. Continue to cook the Alfredo sauce, the shrimps, and the zucchini for about a minute. Add the broccolis, stir everything together, and cook for 1 more minute. Add the noodles. Stir everything together and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off your stove. Garnish with black peppers if you like black peppers. This is what it looks like. It was so delicious. Very simple. It doesn't take very much time to make at all. I added some mountain dry peppers and it was so good. It was so delicious. Thank you everyone for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, God bless.